Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing an API key and enabling Maps JavaScript and Places APIs. This is essential so requests succeed. Once done, make sure billing is enabled on your project and restrict the key by referrer for security. Next, add at React Google Maps/API to your React app and create a simple map component file. You'll wire the API key into a provider component. Doing that now lets you load the Maps script and render a map container immediately. You will load the Maps SDK using Use.js API Loader or Load script. This handles async script loading and error states. Once the SDK is ready, render Google Map with center and zoom, and pass a stable map container style to avoid reflows. Then add marker components for locations and attach on click to open info window. This gives immediate interactivity. Make sure to manage map state in React, Memoiz callbacks, and clean up listeners so performance stays snappy as users pan and zoom. You'll finish by integrating Places autocomplete for search, directions service for routing, and distance matrix for travel times. These services require additional API enabling and parameter handling. Once implemented, make sure to debounce input, cache results, and watch quota usage to avoid unexpected failures. If something breaks, check console errors. 403 or referrer mismatch is the most common. Adjust key restrictions or referrers, and verify billing. Finally, test on
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.